Alright, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the S1000 series. I know it's been a while. My mechanic's been out of town for a week or two doing Ducati training, and then now with the coronavirus craziness going on, we're having issues trying to get parts shipped and everything else. So it's just been a nightmare for this build, and I'm sorry that's taking so long. Everything's completely out of my control, and trust me, I want to put out multiple videos a week, but unfortunately I just can't right now. So I'm doing the best that I can for you guys. I apologize for the delay. Anyway, we're heading to Ducati Santa Barbara. We're going to be pretty much tearing the whole bike apart today, and then starting from the inside out. So I think we're going to be doing carbon frame covers today, and then we're going to be kind of at a standstill until I get more parts. So that's kind of the nature. The whole world in a standstill right now, so why would my build be any different? I'm getting pretty frustrated because I really want to get this. And actually Ducati apparently can't ship bikes out. So now the Street Fighter build, which we're going to be doing next, which we're supposed to be getting here in March, supposedly might not get here until June or July. Like, I guess like 17 million people in Italy are quarantined right now, so craziness. Anyway, safety is more important than a stupid bike build, so totally fine, but I still got work to do. So anyway, sorry for the rant. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So also guys, I mentioned that our Ducati shop has been changing hands. The new owners are finally getting in, and this is the current state of our Ducati shop. It's kind of a sad state of affairs. They're waiting to get all the new models in. So like my entire life has been on hold right now. I want to get a Street Fighter. I wanted to get a Diablo 1260. Our C8 is waiting. It should be here in another week or two. So it's like, I've been just like, it's been driving me crazy. But anyway, yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, so one awesome thing about working with Rory is he covers the bikes. Look at this. He even has like the screws for each part hanging on the part. It makes me so happy because I'm super OCD.
Very organized.
Yeah, I'm super OCD. So let's take a look here. As I mentioned, we're literally stripping this whole bike today. So this is going to be the last time we're going to see this thing.
And it's kind of original form.
Yeah, this is going to be it, folks. Because from now on, it's going to be in pieces for a while. Because after we strip it and test fit all the carbon, then we have to take it all back off and paint it. So it's gonna be some time, man.
Ooh, have I missed that tail section?
I know,
wow.
Right?
That carbon is amazing.
Guys, take a look at the forecast for Santa Barbara. I've never seen a forecast. 9 out of 10 days is rain. Since I lived in Santa Barbara for 10 years before we moved back, I've never seen that on a forecast ever. Right when our Corvette's supposed to be here, and right when we're supposed to be, well, I mean, whatever, bikes and pieces, but how crazy is that?
It's been cold here.
10 days.
And it's raining now.
It's in the middle of March. Like, normally it's 70 right now here. That never happens. It's crazy. So this is what we're doing today. Frame covers. I don't even honestly know. I think, oh yeah, so they actually go all the way up and around, I think somewhere up to here.
And you have to, what, take this off,
yeah, we gotta
take this off?
Yeah.
So you have to take basically the whole front off?
Yeah, all of this.
Just to get to the frame?
Yeah, all of this has,
get the cover
that's what I'm
on.
saying. The whole, so we might not even actually get to the frame covers. We might just be taking this thing apart today.
Depends how long it takes.
We also have to take our belly panel back off.
Yeah, you have to take
that's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
What a
dude.
pain.
We don't have the tank yet. I think
Rory's got a lot of work ahead of him.
I know. Yeah. We're leaving. So another thing I forgot to mention, guys, we did do the carbon frame, the carbon swing arm covers, the carbon rear mud hugger, and on both sides, obviously. We are gonna put the chain guard on. We just have it off for now because we've got some other stuff to install there. But look at how good that turned out. So that was a Patreon only video. I tried to do some exclusive stuff just for them, and turned out fantastic. Obviously, Manny from Moto Million, if you want any of this stuff, it's all from full 6 carbon, and it's just perfection. All right, Teens is digging in our box of carbon here with those beautiful yoga pants that literally might as well not even have pants on.
Yeah, put everything on me.
So right now we're looking for frame covers. Yeah, we don't even have all the stuff that we need. But that's why we're just gonna rip it apart and start at the beginning, start at the bottom. This is what you go through when you try to do like world first stuff. What is it? I don't know what that is. All right, so this is what we are gonna try and get installed today. They're frame covers. Look at how freaking big those are. I think we're gonna use double-sided tape, maybe some silicone as well. Yeah, wobble, wobble, wobble. But yeah, that's, so obviously there's a lot of stuff covering these parts up right now, so we're gonna have to really take the bike apart, as I mentioned a million times. If you're taking a shot every time I say take the bike apart, take another one. All right guys, Teens is out for now, so if you're only here for Teens, you can click off the video now. But go follow her on Instagram and her YouTube channel, because she's gonna get that C8 soon.
Out, Teens doesn't like to come outside.
Yeah, Teens goes inside.
Yeah, so.
All right, well, thanks for.
I'm gonna go set up my gaming system.
Oh, Twitch, Khalil19 on Twitch.
Yeah.
It's a perfect way to, when you're all stuck inside with the coronavirus, we'll just play video games.
Watch your hands, kids.
All right, we got the bike pumped up here, and basically gonna start with the mirrors. We pretty much have to remove the entire front of the bike to get to the frame covers. So we're just gonna take our time. Well, when I say we're, I mean Rory. Rory, yeah, Rory's gonna take his time, and that way he's gonna take it apart so he knows how to put it back together, which is gonna be a few months later, so hopefully he has a good memory. So it turns out there's actually the turn signal connection runs through here, so we're gonna take the front end apart first before we remove the mirrors completely. Obviously we haven't worked on this model before because it's brand new, so we're kind of learning as we go here. All right, there's the screen, that's gone. Manny already sent us the new, I think it's a WMR screen? I'll have to look, but it's a racing screen from a racing team. It looks super cool, so I can't wait to get that back installed, but we'll be waiting for the front fairing before we do that. All right, so next we're gonna take off the side fairings here. I always like to see like how manufacturers do things. Like, it's funny to see the difference between like BMW versus Ducati and all that other kind of stuff. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens here. All right, right fairing coming off. Look at that. That is crazy. There's all kinds of weird, like, yeah. So you gotta be really careful, guys, if you do this yourself, to not break these things off. There was two in the front that you basically pull back with, and then there's one right here that also,
that's out.
like a little nipple that you pull out. So you did the front ones first,
yeah, I did,
and then this one out, right?
Yeah, ideally this one comes first.
Oh, that one would do first, and then you pull it out. Okay, gotcha. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Don't break those off. Don't break your nipples.
We're replacing these too.
Yeah, we're replacing this, and these get broken a lot apparently too. Mine's not broken yet, but apparently everyone else's has broken, but ours hasn't. So we're gonna replace it anyway. So yeah, just 2 bolts for this guy. Pull off the old shark fin.
Gill.
Shark gill, thank you. I don't know why the hell I said fin. Look, Alex stopped by. How you doing, brother? He just got out of school. So you're out of school till when?
April 3rd.
Until April 3rd. Hey, join the video game club, brother.
I know, we're gonna play video games.
We're gonna stay home and play video games.
We're gonna go to the gym,
Yeah.
play video games,
And work on the BMW.
work on a BMW.
That's it. That's our life from now on.
Spend all of our time with Rory.
And hang out with Rory as much as awesome.
It's Christmas in March.
All right, so doing the same thing on the other side. This time, since he knew, he pulled that nipple out first, and now he's pulling the two in the nose just back towards him. Still kind of a bitch to get out though, and you gotta be really careful not to break it. There it is, baby. Look at that. She's naked. Actually, it looks pretty sick. Look at that. Just because it's all black, look how nice that looks. Wait until all the carbon's on, guys. This is gonna be freaking ridiculous. Don't forget, we're gonna be giving this bike away. I always forget to mention that. If you guys are interested in being entered to win this bike, helping to support the projects, check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. That is one naked S1000. Okay, so WRS, that was the windscreen. It stands for Moto Special Parts. This is a new company that Moto Million's working with. Apparently they make all kinds of race parts and stuff. Very, very high quality. I'm really excited to get this thing on, but it won't be for a little while. But I wanted to tell you what it was if you're interested. All right, there's the two side. What is, oh my, why is this all one piece? Wait, how do you take this off?
We don't have to drop that down.
Oh, unbelievable. All right, so to get this, I don't even know what you call this. Is there a name for this, Rory?
Air dam.
Air dam? Okay. To get the dental dam out, we gotta take the whole, oh yeah, actually it's good that you did because there's a cord running through it as well, one of the runoffs. So we gotta take our beautiful carbon belly panel off. The whole bike's getting stripped, guys. This is where we're at. this is our life now. The air dam, look at it. All right, so if you guys are gonna do mirror deletes, turn signal replacements.
Well, track work too.
Yeah.
You're gonna take them off the track.
Right.
Windshield, then pop these two out and slide it down.
Yeah. So I would have never known to pop that out. I thought he was gonna break it, but obviously he works on all kinds of bikes. So there you go. That's where the connections are. We're gonna be actually just doing I think we're gonna be doing NRC kits up here. There'll be mirrors on the, or turn signals on the side, and then the rondelles on the side as well. So we're gonna have 2 turn signals on each side. But obviously we're not gonna use any of this, so we're just gonna remove it. So there it is, mirror gone. So those won't be replaced. Let me see, how heavy are those, do you think? Pound? 2 pounds?
Yeah,
2 pounds? So there you go. Probably another
Is that
2
the
pounds.
scale?
Oh yeah, we'll throw them both on the scale, good call. All right, so I got this bad boy on. I just put one on. It's 1.5 pounds for one, so 3 pounds for the 2 of them. So if you guys wanna do the NRC mirror delete kit plus the turn signal from Manny at Moto Million, you'll save 3 pounds, which is pretty freaking awesome. So there you go. We are moving on to checking out this right here. So Rory, can we keep the charcoal canister and put the?
We're just gonna take it off.
We've
with
taken.
the application.
Okay, and did one of the bolts go through the?
They both do.
The cover?
Because
both of them do?
We will
Okay.
never remove a charcoal canister.
We would never do that. We would never do that ever.
Never.
Never.
I'll say it again. We'll never remove.
And I don't speed either on YouTube.
No shit.
Okay, so we moved the charcoal canister out of the way. Again, we are keeping this. We would never remove that.
No.
And
Stress it again. We'd never remove that.
There's some weird clip in here that he also removed.
Medieval.
He went medieval on this bitch.
A little bit.
So I think now we can kind of test fit the frame cover and see what it looks like. All right, so Roy just marked these. We're actually gonna have to remove the charcoal canister completely.
So we can put it back on.
Yeah, we will be putting it back on. So he marked it so that he knows which hose goes to which side. Very important. He said the bike won't run correctly if you don't do that. So we're gonna remove this now so that we can completely, we were trying to test fit it and it was just running into the hoses and stuff. So we're gonna remove that bad boy and then we can test fit it. All right guys, look at that. Obviously it's not, we're just test fitting it right now, but oh my Lord. This gets me really excited, dude. And Rory was saying it even matches the weave from one piece to the next. That's some next level shit right there. Full 6, you guys crushed it. And again, if you guys want any of these parts, Manny, Moto Million, use code Campisi, save yourself some money. Oh man, that is, wow. It even goes into that piece. That's incredible. Yeah, that's incredible. All right, so now that we test fitted the carbon frame covers, we're gonna actually remove the emission stickers and we're gonna keep them with the bike because you're gonna need to have this, especially if you're registering it in California. All other states you'd probably be okay, but we're gonna keep all these stickers with the bike so you guys will have them for whoever the winner is.
It always goes to California.
Yeah, I know, they always win in Cali. Christina is actually coming down. We're gonna prep this surface and then we need to run out and grab some silicone and some big zip ties so that we can stick these on and then keep them on overnight, zip tied on there. So, getting there. Look at this, guys. He freaking got that sticker off in one piece. What a legend. You, sir, are a legend. Look at this process, guys. Look what Rory goes through. He said, don't forget I was a sailmaker. I think you were making something else. This is crazy. Literally cutting the stickiness of the sticker.
Just patience.
To keep it together. Yeah, he has very good patience.
No, I don't, but
I would have been drinking a 6-pack.
I know when to exhibit it.
I would have been across the street with a 6-pack by now. Okay, so got the other sticker off. There is one more sticker up here, which we're also gonna get off. But before we do that, we have to remove this, and we're actually gonna be replacing all of the hoses with blue hoses. So we're gonna drain the coolant and drain the entire radiator. So that's what we're gonna do next. All right, so he clamped the line first, remove the clip. Now he's gonna pull it off. And in theory, only this amount of fluid will come out. Is that the idea?
Yep.
Okay, let's see what happens. What are these?
Granny pliers.
What does that mean?
With no teeth.
Oh my God. I don't think I have any grannies watching, so I think we're safe there. Oh, I shouldn't be this close. Let's see what happens, boys. Here we go.
It's actually going to piss out on both.
Is it gonna fly out?
Maybe.
Okay. Oh. What the hell?
When I pop this, it will.
Oh, okay. All right, so once you took the top off, now we're draining coolant. You can see it pouring on in. So we're gonna drain all of this out and then we can take that thing off. All right, so Teens and I just got back from AutoZone. We got big ass zip ties so that we can zip tie the frame covers on there after we put them on, okay? And then this is what they recommended to use. It's kind of like silicone, but it's for high heat because this frame actually does get warm. Obviously it's sitting right next to the motor, so we wanna make sure that they don't fall off. Rory already prepped the surface. We got all of the stickers removed, and now we're ready to go. All right, so we are putting on the adhesive, and we're gonna be nice and liberal with it because
like
we
an
don't need
artist.
this thing flying off, and it also
Because
gets.
we're in California, we're liberal.
We're liberal. No, we're not. We're not gonna be political on this channel at all. I like both sides equally. So anyway, yeah, we need to make sure that we put this a good amount on there because these do heat up the frames, and we don't need this thing flying off while we're riding. So that's what we're doing. I like that it's black though. That makes me happy. All right, here we go, folks. Everyone nice and quiet.
We're hunting.
We're hunting crockies. Crikeys, would you look at the size of that thing? R.I.P. to Steve Irwin. Steve, what's his name? Steve, you should know. Crocodile Hunter. Steve Irwin. God, I can't speak. He's actually from Australia. You should know. How was my Australian accent? Crikey. Oh, you need zip ties? Oh, hold on, I gotta help. Guys, I know there's zip ties on it, but that's just a little taste of where we're heading. Look at that bike. Oh, the carbon frame cover's on. We got it all zip tied down. He even, look at this, he even put that on there so it held it all the way too, so it adheres perfectly. And now we can do the other side. Actually, Teens is gonna do it. You gonna do it, Teens? Come on, you can do it.
No, he's doing it.
Oh, he's doing it. Oh, Teens makes some incredible baked goods. Is that what they would be? So we were gonna have her do it. I feel like Teens should do it. What are you showing me?
Wild thornberries.
Oh my God. Okay, guys, let's show YouTube.
Okay, so
Guys.
Since I've known Rory, I'm like, he looks like this cartoon character from Nickelodeon that I used to watch back in the day. Wild Thornberries, and this is him.
Is he Australian too?
Yeah, and I think his name is Nigel.
Nigel. That's totally Nigel. Nigel Thornberry.
There he is.
Hold on, look at this and look at Rory. That's incredible.
And they talk the
Wait,
same.
have you seen it, Rory?
Yes, I'm insulted.
Yeah, I'm insulted. We're not
He's gonna throw this
We're not
away.
insulting you, okay?
And
It's a
he's
compliment.
hard to understand in Nickelodeon.
Yeah, I said we can't understand half of what he says. I just smile and nod at him. Yes, that sounds good, Rory. All right, here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Sliding it on in. We get one shot at this. You only get one shot. I don't know. It sounded like a song. That's what it, yeah.
Lose yourself, man.
Yeah, lose yourself. That's what I was going for. I don't know what I was trying to sing. I'm losing it, guys. It's cold in Santa Barbara. We don't know what the hell's going on around here. All right, we'll zip tie this bad boy up and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, left side is on and we got it zip tied on there. We're gonna let it sit overnight and I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing next, but very, very happy with how these turned out. Again, guys, if you want any of this carbon Manny at Moto Million, use code Campisi. Make sure you mention my name and you'll get a discount. If you wanna be entered to win this bike when we're done, check out patreon.com/CampisiCustoms. Little taste for you guys. Look at how sick that thing looks under the lights. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so happy to be back working on this bad boy. Don't worry, those magnesium covers are gonna be carbon as well. And I think that's gonna do it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you, Rory here at Santa Barbara Ducati. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.